Hello guys, it's Chris with marketingdailySF.com, and on today's video I'm gonna show you a fantastic way on how you can use the Google search power, the Google data, in order to get you income of $1,000 or even dollars per month. Easy, very easy guys. I'm gonna show you step by step. Make sure you stick all the way down to the end so you can pick up all the tricks and on how you can set this up together. And you're gonna thank me later on how you can utilize this to make some income. Before we go ahead and start this video guys, as always, I would like you to ask you, if you haven't already, to click the subscribe button that is located on the right side of this video, all along the video, in order to become a member of my channel. It would be a great honor to have you here. I learn through you, so I would love to have you in my channel. So do go ahead and click the subscribe channel, and next to it the bell icon, in order to stay tuned on the videos I'm sharing every day. So with no further ado guys, let's go ahead and start this video today. As I was telling you, we're gonna use Google data and Google power in order to use this method today and put together like a blog, and how to set up this blog, how to utilize the blog, and how you use the blog to bring income. It's not just setting up a blog, it's just to put the tricks I'm gonna talk about next or inside the blog in order to bring you revenue. Creating a blog itself and leave it there is not gonna bring you any money guys. So I want you to first realize how powerful Google is. Everybody knows Google, everybody goes there and searching things and looking for results, but I want you guys to go ahead and think how powerful Google is and how we can utilize this. So I'm having live now open. There is a site called Internet Lifestyle, so you can see how many searches are happening live right now with Google. So you have Google search statistics here, and you have over 2 billion. There is about 40,000 search queries going on every second guys. Can you imagine the number? 40,000 searches every second, and there is about 3.5 billion searches every day. Guys, the numbers is crazy. So we know that the numbers are there, we know the data is there, and Google is giving this data to us because they want to have access to them so we can utilize. We benefit, they benefit as well. So that's why they're giving all this information. Now, how we can use these search statistics and search results? Guys, we use these results and statistics in getting the right keywords that I'm going to show you in a bit, and how to utilize and create articles within our blog based on the most important searches. So we know what's the most important search, and we're going to put there, and we will bring this will bring the blog up to the top results of Google search. Now I want to show you a very nice, very simple but a very well designed blog that you want you to have in mind. This is a blog guys, yeah. Now this is different articles, and you can go here, and I want you, when you create the blog, and I'm going to show you where you can go get a blog theme. Just buy something for like $4, $5, $10, and get the blog ready, and just create the articles and throw them in. Don't spend too much money or time on it. Yeah, but when you do, just make sure you have, all I want to pay attention is that you have articles on various popular sections that they can cover a lot of things. So if you go to this blog, which is very popular, I'm going to show you why in a bit, you can have all these different options guys. Make extra money, get out of debt, budgeting, insurance, education, home and real estate, personal finance. These guys is putting a lot of extra effort in all things here. Now I want you to scroll down and see how they set out, how they put the different articles inside, and how, if you ask me how you're gonna make money out of this, you see guys, next to the articles there is these little banners. So if you click on the banners, it will bring you to you buy something for them. So this is affiliate banners guys. Once people click and buy, they will have this guy here, he will have his affiliate commission fee. Now This might be his own things. So as I told you, if you go back to my previous videos, you will be able to get ready books like this. Might be most likely those are ebooks, and you can go and use Fiverr in order to get exclusivity and your own rights on from creating ebooks from Fiverr, and you have them on your own, and you can directly use these links here, these banners here, and sell your own ebook, so you get 100% of the commission. Or you can go to sites, as I talked to you a few times so far. Go check back my videos, affiliate sites like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and so on, and you can find ebooks that you can get the rights. You can use the advertisement here, and once people register, you get your commission. Now you're gonna ask me if this is working. Well, this is on the same blog. This is 1 month worth of income. This guy is making 40,000 something dollars a month using this method. So yes, it's working. Guys, look the numbers again. We're talking about 2.5 almost billion searches happening so far through Google. People are out there looking. If you get only 0.00.1 people to go to your blog, that's crazy, guys. And as you can see, this using very powerful and very nice banners that you can use through the articles, you can get a very nice and very popular niche or articles that you can use. So get out of debt. Everybody wants to get out of debt. Everybody wants to make an extra money. So you can go here and search, and then you go back to Google. Let me show you. So for example, home mom jobs. Okay, if I just leave it for here, Google gives you, guys, every time you search something, Google gives you the most important search words on a category. So you can see all this here. We're looking for work. Now you can get it here, and you can start based on this one. You can go to keywords.io. Let me see if I can open it here for you real quick. Keywords.io. No, one second. In order to find the most efficient keywords, guys, that you can utilize, once or Google SEO would be another one, yeah, and get the most creative keywords that are looking. Or what I usually like to do is to come here to Google itself and getting the most popular that people are looking. So legitimate work at home jobs for moms, stay at home jobs, creative jobs for stay at home moms, stay at home mom jobs. You use this, which is at the top search, and guys, you're not going to go wrong. So when you create your blog, you're working on these specific searches that are the most popular ones. So if this works, yes, it works. Yeah, it works, guys. You can make easily few $100s a day if you put this right. Now, if it doesn't sound too complicated, guys, don't worry, because everything is there, and you can just spend a few bucks and you can put this together very easily. WordPress.org, the links for everything I'm talking about is below this video. WordPress.org has themes that you can utilize for this. It's the most powerful when it comes to blogs. So you can go here, as you can see here, WordPress is open source software you can use to create a beautiful website, blog, or app. So you can go and register. It's free to register, and you can go through there and find the blog theme that you would like to utilize and put it on a domain or a host domain you're gonna have. Now here I'm giving you guys based on which country. Each country usually right now is having a popular domain and hosting site. You already know one. If you don't, I'm using GoDaddy here as an example, where you can start with anywhere from like £2 a year for finding a domain to register. And once you register a domain, think a little bit the name you're gonna be using. Have it something catchy, guys, so people will remember. If somebody saw an article, they would be nice to remember the blog name and the domain name to go back. So let's say, for example, wechangeyourlife.com. That's just an example. Somebody will remember that one. If he says best legit stay moms job suggestions.com, nobody will remember this. You get the idea, guys. So just think a little bit on domain name. Maybe it might be your name, yeah? It might be your name. Maybe it's be johnmichael.com, or maybe it's I don't know, johnsmith.com, johnbrown.com. Just something catchy, something that people will remember. So when they see the article and they want to go back later on to see it, they will remember as well the domain. So now after you get the domain, you go to WordPress, you get the theme, you put it there, and you go to guys, you follow my previous videos. If you haven't already, just go back and search on Fiverr, or become an affiliate on member on Warrior Plus or ClickBank and sites like this, and find ebooks that you can promote and get a good commission back as well. So this is the idea, guys, today. This is what I want to show you. It will take some time to put this together, but it's work, guys. You need to put some effort on these things, because the more effort you put, that is free ways I'm showing you, but some of them, if you put a little bit of effort on this stuff and you put them together, it will automatically start bringing you money when it starts to catch up, and you're gonna have great results, nice income. It will change your life. Now, this is one way, guys. If you want to see my #1 recommendation on how you can make money online with a passive income every week, every month, from the comfort of your house, money will come in. My #1 recommendation is listed below this video, guys. My top, my favorite, my love, actually, because it changed my life. So as you see my videos, I'm testing. I know that they work. Every single method I'm doing myself, I check it and then I put it on the public for you guys after I test it. So my #1, the one is working the best for all this, listed below. Click the link to follow, and if you like the content of this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. It would be a great honor to have you. Thank you. This is it for today, guys. Enjoy your day. See you on the next video shortly. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.